In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove OneDrive on Windows 11 in 5 minutes. We'll start by disconnecting it from your PC so it stops syncing, and then I'll show you how to uninstall it so it's completely removed from Windows. Before we begin, a quick note. Unlinking or uninstalling OneDrive does not delete your files in the cloud. Your online files stay in your Microsoft account, and any files already downloaded to your PC remain in your OneDrive folder. First, look for the OneDrive Cloud icon on your taskbar near the clock. If you don't see it, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Click the Cloud icon to open OneDrive. In the OneDrive window, click the gear icon to open the menu, then choose Settings from the drop-down. This opens the OneDrive Settings window. Go to the Account tab. Here, click Unlink this PC. When the confirmation prompt appears, confirm that you want to unlink. After this, OneDrive stops syncing. Your local OneDrive folder and any files already synced stay on the computer, and your online files remain available on the web. If you want to fully remove OneDrive from Windows, you can now uninstall it. Open the Windows Settings app by pressing the Windows key and selecting the gear icon, or by searching for Settings. In Settings, go to Apps, then go to Installed Apps or Apps and Features depending on your Windows 11 version. Another quick way is to use the search bar on your taskbar. Type OneDrive, then select it from the results to view the app and its uninstall option. Once you've located Microsoft OneDrive in your apps list, select Uninstall and confirm any prompts that follow. If Windows says OneDrive is in use, close it from the system tray by right-clicking the cloud icon and choosing Close OneDrive, then try uninstalling again. You might also need administrator permission to remove the app. After uninstalling, the OneDrive icon will disappear from your taskbar and the app will no longer run or sync. Your local OneDrive folder remains on your PC, so you can keep those files, move them elsewhere, or manage them as you like. And remember, your files in the cloud are still safely stored in your Microsoft account. That's it. You've unlinked and uninstalled OneDrive on Windows 11. If you ever change your mind, you can reinstall it from Microsoft's website and sign back in to resume syncing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your Windows setup quickly and confidently.